हेलो एवरीवन, अमित दिस साइड फ्रॉम साइबर कार बालीनगर। आज हमने सैमसुई का SAM5350 इंस्टॉल किया है मारुति सुजुकी इग्निस के अंदर। दिस इज अ 9 इंचेस फुल फ्लेज एंड्रॉइड स्क्रीन विच हैज बीन इंस्टॉल्ड इन द कार। आप इस स्क्रीन की फिटमेंट देख सकते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस स्टीरियो हैज बीन माउंटेड अलॉन्ग विद अ प्रॉपर फ्रेम। इसकी फिट एंड फिनिश आप देख सकते हैं। The frame that we have installed along with the stereo is in glossy black finish, which is adding a premium feel to the car interior. Apart from this, if we talk about the specifications of this screen comes along with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, IPS panel and Gorilla Glass. इस स्टीरियो की इंस्टॉलेशन में कोई भी टाइप की वायर कटिंग नहीं होती. Everything that is done is totally coupler to coupler. After installation of the stereo in the car, all the original features which are provided by the company have proper functionality along with it. Like these are the steering control keys, which have been synced along with the stereo and are working perfectly. Apart from this, इस स्टीरियो के साथ हमने कार में रिवर्स कैमरा भी इंस्टॉल किए. On engaging the reverse gear, automatically the reverse camera would be turned on. This is a HD quality reverse camera that we have installed along with the stereo. This camera provides 170-degree of wide-angle view and is water resistant. Apart from this, आप स्क्रीन का टच रिस्पॉन्स भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, which works flawlessly due to presence of capacitive touch in it. The specifications of the screen is 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Moving on to the other features, in this screen we are also provided with the DSP settings, which stands for Digital Sound Processor. Each and every point of sound can be adjusted according to a requirement. We are also provided with other settings like surround sound option, loudness mode, and many other settings are also available. Like this is the subwoofer option, which can be used to control the bass that is coming from the speakers. This is the ASP settings, which stands for Analog Sound Processor. And at last, this is the balance and fader option, which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working in car or not. This is a full-fledged Android screen containing all features in it. If you wish to install the stereo in your car, you can contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. This stereo also has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in it, which can be easily accessed by using the Z-Link 5 application. In order to access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, the only thing that we are required to do is to connect our phone Bluetooth along with the stereo, after which our phone data would be directly synced. We are also provided with applications such as Play Store, using which we can download any application in the stereo that we require according to a requirement. We are also provided with the YouTube application, which can be used to play any videos. अब मैं आपको एक बारी इसके अंदर वायरलेस Apple CarPlay एक्सेस करके दिखा रहा हूँ. By using this feature, all the data which is available in my phone has been directly synced along with the stereo. The touch response in Apple CarPlay also remains flawless. The same carries on for Android Auto as well. We are also provided with the assistant feature, which can be used for giving any command. In case of iPhone, we are provided with Siri, and in Android phone, we are provided with the Google Assistant feature.